2023 Philippine 50 Piso Banknote, its design, history, and collector's value. If you enjoy banknotes and coins from around the world, don't forget to subscribe. The 50 Piso belongs to the new generation currency series issued by the Banco Central ng Pilipinas. This series began in 2010 and has been gradually updated with enhanced security and modern designs. The 2023 issue continues to circulate widely and remains one of the most commonly used denominations in daily transactions across the Philippines. On the front, the 50 Piso note features Sergio Osmeña, the fourth president of the Philippines, honored for his role in leading the country during World War II. The note also includes the Banco Central ng Pilipinas seal, modern security threads, and color-shifting elements to prevent counterfeiting. On the back, you'll find the Taal Lake and the Taal Volcano, one of the most iconic natural landmarks of the Philippines, along with native flora and fauna designs that highlight the nation's biodiversity. Since the 2023 50 Piso is still in active circulation, its face value remains 50 PHP. For collectors, uncirculated notes in crisp condition may sell for $1.50 to $3 depending on demand. Special serial numbers, like repeating numbers, low serials, or replacement notes, can make the bill more valuable, sometimes reaching $10 plus USD among collectors. The 2023 50 Piso is not just everyday money, it's a tribute to history, culture, and the natural beauty of the Philippines. Do you have one in your collection? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, like, share, and subscribe for more videos on coins and banknotes from around the world.